Hi friends, মই Roland XPS10 keyboard এখন লৈছিলোঁ আৰু মোৰ নাম জুঞ্জুৰি শইকীয়া। মই আজি এই keyboardখন আনবক্স কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছোঁ। Hi friends, আজি আপোনালোকৰ আনবক্সিং কেনেকৈ কৰে, ভিতৰত কেনেকৈ কি হয় এইখিনি মই দেখুৱাম। Friends, I am Junjuri Shaikia and I bought this small keyboard of Roland. It is XPS10 yesterday and I am going to unbox it. And it's a very lovely keyboard, small in size, আৰু বহুত portable হয়, carry কৰিবলৈ ভাল, আৰু ইয়াৰ weight-টো বহুত কম, 4 kg আছে, 4 kg আছে. So it is mostly used by the gigging performers and musicians all over the world, and it's high quality sounds and its compact size, আৰু এই দুটা কাৰণে সকলো মিউজিচিয়ানে ভাল পায়, প্ৰায় ইউজ কৰা দেখা যায় ষ্টেজবিলাকত। আৰু এইখনত this keyboard has more than 1500 tones inbuilt and that are in the keyboard. Our keyboard can be this one tones, this one sounds, and that can be imported with the help of USB memory. And so that's why today I'm going to unbox this and cut this box open to show this keyboard. Thank you. So this is the box. This was the bigger one, and inside this is covered with thermocol boxes. Thermocol boxer দ্বাৰা এইটো কভাৰ কৰি থোৱা হৈছে। তো দেখুৱাব লাগিব। আৰু ইয়াৰ লগত এখন ইউজৰ পৰা এখন কিতাপ দিয়া হৈছে। এখন চাব লাগিব কেনেদৰে ইউজ কৰিব লাগে কিতাপ এখন। This is a book for users to refer for easy reference, for easy understanding of this keyboard. But its weight is very light. It's not so heavy like the other keyboards. But those keyboards is lightweight, but it performs like heavy giants on stage, and it's very famous in the entire world for its sound quality and heavy sounds. So this is the keyboard, very small in size, and also light in weight. This is the keyboard, and it is one of the latest keyboards produced by the Roland industry for musicians, and it can be used both in the studios and outside on the live stage for stage performances.